At this point in the video, I stopped it because I wanted to explain. We had a terrible, terrible ice storm, and I went outside to see what the damage was. And as I got closer to a road that goes down through the woods, you could hear the tree fall near me. So I went back inside, or to the backyard, and while I was outside, I could hear trees falling just constantly. I love my woods, and it was very, very upsetting. We are blessed that nothing landed on our house or my mother's home, so I was grateful for that. But it just was really an upsetting thing. There were trees on our fences to all our pastures, and so that was a priority to get that taken care of first. But now we're left with, I guess, a bunch of firewood, but very upset. You know, the large trees, the oak trees that have been there for years and years that are uprooted. It's amazing what ice can do. We were without power for, I think it was 7 days, and my mom, she's on oxygen at night. I take care of her. She has an assisted living home on the property here, and I'm just very grateful that we have a backup generator. It's my big oak tree.